At the New Jersey Center for Laser and Cosmetic Dentistry, located in West Caldwell, Dr. Joseph Delbon and his team provide high-tech laser, cosmetic, and family dentistry in a relaxed, state-of-the-art atmosphere. Our dental practice stands above traditional dental practices by providing the most advanced dental procedures in a comfortable, family-friendly office. So, how is the New Jersey Center for Laser and Cosmetic Dentistry different from other dental offices? Experience it for yourself while you and your family relax in our reception area with a fresh cup of coffee, tea, or espresso. You will enjoy the bright sunlight in our modern treatment rooms. Experience painless, needle-free laser dentistry, sedation dentistry, Invisalign clear braces, single and full mouth dental implant restorations, and much more. Enjoy TV or Netflix with our Bose noise-canceling headphones in each treatment room. Relax with pillows and fresh fleece blankets for your comfort and warmth, and a warm lavender spa towel to freshen up after your appointment. We offer family block scheduling so members of your family can be seen at the same time, which keeps your visit time shorter and gets you back to your busy schedule. Our office hours also offer an in-office dental discount plan for those patients without insurance benefits. At the New Jersey Center for Laser and Cosmetic Dentistry, we don't like treating patients, we like treating friends. We feel our office is unique and our only focus is your dental health and well-being. We hope to provide you the best dental care possible along with the best service around. So call us today at 973-244-2424 or visit us online at drdelbon.com.